Right guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you could have made 7R on Thursday the 9th of November on Euro USD. So I'll see you after the intro. Right guys, let's jump straight in. So this is the trade on screen. This is Euro USD 7R. So if you're risking 1%, that's 7% in what, 5-6 hours, give or take, not even that. Yeah, we'll jump in, we'll get rid of it for now. But first of all, if you've seen this video, which pops up somewhere from my last week, the latest video, basically on where I thought Euro USD was going, can't even talk at the minute, you'd have realised that, where is it? I'm losing my screen, guys. Yeah, so basically in that video, guys, I said we wanted to take this high out and then start to sink. And as you can see, we took the high out and we started to sink. I did actually get in a sell at the start of the week. I believe it was the Monday, yeah. Yes, Monday. But I took it out too early, unfortunately. But, excuse me, it would have carried on. I think emotions got involved and I took it out too early. But anyway, yeah, that's on last week's video. I said it would buy and then sell, and it did just that. It doesn't always, you don't always get it all right, but for that instance, it did. But either way, this is a different video. Let's hop in. So this is basically the hour chart. Nice and simple. You can see basically the latest swing. I won't bore you too much, but we broke this high here. It's doing it again. Let me make that a bit clearer. So yeah, this is the latest swing, guys, and like I said in the previous video, we wanted to kind of come back to basically 50% at least. Like, there's a trend line that I'm watching that might get formed. I'm going to make all these a bit bigger so you can see. So we want to basically come back to this 50%. This bottom half here, we want to be selling into that zone really, because that's where buys could potentially happen. So the overall bias now is sells. Yes, it's bullish market structure, but the bias is sells because we've not touched that 50% zone yet. So I did actually get a little buy here just because it broke structure, and I managed to get a buy earlier in the week, which I believe was around there, round about there somewhere, with a smaller stop, and we got a little bit of a buy there. But either way, that's a different trade. So we've got sells in mind because we've not tapped into the 50% discount area yet. So sells should always be in your mind, but you know that it's going to retrace at some point. So at the minute, this is on the hourly, I say. So we've got this got took out by this. We then started to form lower lows, lower highs on the hourly. We respected supply. I don't know why I've gone dark here. I don't know if I can help it with the light a bit. That might be better. But yeah, then we broke that again. Created a low. We then respected supply again. We then took the low again, but then we broke supply, which means we were bullish into the 50% of that area, if that makes sense. So I'll get rid of this line because it's starting to get a bit messy. If it lets me. Right. So basically, guys, because we broke this area, we know that that turned bullish. So we were potentially looking for the sell zone once that had hit the sell zone, if that makes sense. I'm absolutely crap at explaining, but hopefully you kind of following through. So because that broke there, that line there, we then knew that we wanted to get a sell in the 50%. So as soon as that happened, so forget anything to the left for now, we zoom in, this is the hourly. We basically wanted this to come back to the 50%, and as you can see, it came straight back in the 50% and sold. But it didn't. This is inducement, guys. This is inducement. So inducement is basically early sellers. So this is liquidity. If I do a thicker line so we can see it, that's liquidity, that's early sellers. And you can tell that because this area here didn't break this low. So what we're then looking for is we're then looking to take the liquidity out. So the other thing I was looking at was you've got this area here. This is a buy to sell zone, which we did actually just tap that. Yeah, we only just mitigated that and then we sold a bit, but we didn't break any structure. So we're still bullish into the sell zone because the sell is the overall bias at the minute. So soon as we approached this, so we knew we wanted to take this high out. Yeah, that's early sellers, that's liquidity sat right there. So then we can drop down. We can drop down to the 15 minute. The 15 minute candle went straight through it. So then you want to really, as soon as we're entering this area really, yeah, because yeah, we smashed straight over that. So then you want to double check on the 1 minute. Let's have a look on the 1 minute. Where are we? Let's go big screen. Right, and let's get rid of them. They were my originals. So this order block, guys, this was the order block that we'd already tapped, but we've actually broke on a higher time frame. We didn't close above it. Obviously the 1 minute in respect of the hourly time frame, it, you know, yes, we've closed above it, but it's only the 1 minute. If it was the 15, 20 minute that we've closed above, then it'd be a bit risky. But either way, guys, what we've got here is we took it out. We took all these early sellers. We took them out completely. We then watch price. And we zoom in and watch price. This is the 1 minute time frame on Euro USD. We break this demand zone here. So this is a sell to buy area. We break that. We keep that in position. We then actually respect that. We don't close above. Yes, it's the 1 minute, but because we're zoomed into 1 minute time market structure, we then need to look for the breaks and the closures. We then respected that. We then broke another low, which means, for me personally, we're selling. We're ready to sell now. So pretty much, guys, what broke this level? It wasn't up here. That broke that level, and then this respected the breaker block. So what broke this level? Well, it was this last candle. So pretty much, guys, whack your sell on there. Whack your sell there. Well, wherever it would be, but yeah. I had it, I think it was about 5 pips. Yeah, 5 pips stop loss. Let's go wide. Zoom out. Let's zoom out to the hourly again. And find it again because it disappears on you. Right, here's the trade there, and then you can aim for the low. I like to round it off. So you could, if you took the low, it's 7.3, but you round it down. Well, you can always round it up if you want, but keep it around that kind of target. That's your 7R, guys. Done. It was entered. It was entered, I believe, during New York Open. Well, not New York Open, but yeah, it was in New York range, so 10 to 3, and then it hit profit at 6 o'clock. So 3 hours, and you've got 7R, even at 0.5% risk, guys. That's 3.5% in 7 hours. No, in 3 hours. Sorry. It's a Sunday. I'm tired, but yeah. So that's it pretty much, guys. I mean, it was just a quick video just to show you how you could make a 7R on Thursday on Euro USD. You know, we've got the overall structure is bullish, but the bias is sells purely because we need to come back. We're getting drawn in by the market to come to this bottom 50% of the current swing. So we're looking for sells. So you could technically aim for that, which would be just under a 16R. But this was Thursday. You don't want the trade running too long, and then over the weekend, you know, we're day traders, we're intraday traders, and little swings, you know. I don't like to leave them over the weekend too much, but yeah. Either way, guys, hopefully you've took some knowledge. And one more thing as well, if you've reached this part, if you can give me a thumbs up, if you took profit by watching my analysis last week, if you managed to get any sell trades, especially on Euro USD. I really appreciate it, and obviously like and subscribe, all the same jazz, and I will see you all on the next video.